the lake at Daylesford, and we have a beautiful display from the peacocks. The girls are here. We're just having lunch over there. Only problem is the peacock keeps turning around and I can't see its beautiful feathers. And here's the girls.
Oh no, that's his mating dance.
Oh, I'm trying to video and...
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Isn't it beautiful? See if we can get slightly better colour there. This is the art gallery at the Convent in Daylesford. Some very interesting art here. Just in one of the big rooms. There's Nicole looking at the art over there. And Sally having a look at a lovely big head. We've escaped out of the rain and we're now on the train out of the Daylesford station. It's a diesel train, so we're on an hour-long train ride. Is this good, Sally? Yeah? John, you like the train? Yeah. So here we are tonight on Lake Daylesford. It's a light show. It's like Cobra, and it's the first one they've had, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is a little bit wet, unfortunately, but I hope we're all having fun here because it's pretty spectacular. This is the Tram Museum in Ballarat. We thought we'd come here today because it's a little bit wet outside. The old horse-drawn trams and the other trams over there. There's the group. This beautiful snake is in the Australian Reptile Park at the Ballarat Wildlife Sanctuary. It's very, very active. You don't normally see snakes this active. I'm just glad it's behind this bit of glass here. There's another snake that's pretty active. This is a Endochina spitting Cobra. It spits its venom. If you get the venom in the eyes, it'll kill you.
So tigers have retractable claws. They can control if their claws are out or not, and that means that they're able to keep them really sharp. And that's a really important thing in the wild because if they're using their claws to hunt, they're stripes, and that's for camouflage. Tigers are ambush predators, so they want to get really nice and close to their prey species and then use a burst of power and speed to take the prey item down. So they have really muscled forearms. They're very powerful when they pounce on prey animals, and you'll be able to see with Kai especially, they have really big canine teeth. So they use those canine teeth. They have special grooves in those teeth where nerves are quite close to the surface of the tooth, and they can use their teeth and their whiskers to sense the heartbeat of a prey animal and deliver a really fatal bite to the neck if they need.
Girl, look after me. Cobra. Hey, boy, please down there.
Yeah. Nicole, what do you think of the koalas?
Oh, good.
They're pretty good. What about the kangaroos?
Wow. Good.
They're good?
Yeah. Yes.
You like them, Pauline?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all good?
Oh.
Yeah?
They've got no tail on them.
Oh, no. What about you, John?
Yes.
Would you like the koalas?
Yeah,
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're fun?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this
What's
is
your favourite animal so far?
Dingo.
The
The
dingoes.
tiger.
Yeah?
Tiger.
Tigers are pretty good, weren't they?
Yeah.
Sally, you having a good time? Good.
Oh, good one. There we go.
Yeah.
Look, there's koalas at the back of
Oh, lovely. I like the apple one.
you. Yeah, you like this one.
Good morning, John.
Hi.
What's been the highlight of your holiday?
Oh, I've had quite a few.
Have you? That's good. So you've really enjoyed yourself?
Very much, yes.
Do you think
very.
you'll come again?
Yes, definitely.
Good. What about you, Pauline? What's been your highlight of your holiday?
Everything excellent.
You've in your lovely new clothes that you bought at the market? Yeah? It's been good? Yeah? That's good.
In the spring, fantastic. It was so nice.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Have you had fun?
No.
You don't want to go home, do you?
No.
No? You ready to come again? Another holiday soon?
Yeah.
Yeah? What about you, Sally? You had a good time? Yep, lots of fun? That's good.